from Les Cayes, Haiti. A 12-year-old boy looked toward tomorrow, never knowing how many doors would open. This is my story. Maybe you'll discover a little of your own. From Les Cayes, Haiti, to the city of light, Paris, France, a 12-year-old boy carried dreams bigger than himself. Gabriel and Mary, thank you for allowing me to discover Pointe-à-Pitre, Guadeloupe on my way to Paris. Gabriel and Mary, thank you for welcoming me into your home at 10 Square Henry Pate, Paris 16. Every morning on my way to school, to college Eugène de la Croix in Paris 15, the iconic Eiffel Tower greeted my eyes. You didn't just give me a place to stay, you showed a young boy that the world was bigger. Sometimes a single open door can become the beginning of an extraordinary life. My big sister Carlin, my guardian angel, only 15 years old. I was only 12 myself. Together, a child and a teenager, 12 and 15 years old, walk into the United States Embassy in Paris, France. Did the impossible. No parents beside us, only faith, only hope. I do not know how we did it, but we got a visitor's visa stamped into our passports. Looking back, it felt like destiny, and heaven had already written the next chapter. America, thank you for allowing my sister and I to the United States. America, thank you. We landed at JFK Airport, New York. Those yellow taxis, those busy streets. Rosa, Laura, and a family, thank you. You welcomed us as one of your own. Then came the computer teachers at Abraham Lincoln High School, Brooklyn, New York. At John Bone High School, Queens, New York. Failure in geometry taught me discipline. At Lynn English High School, the teacher said if MIT says no, North Shore Community College can still help you reach your dream. The teacher saw possibilities I couldn't yet see. And Fan Kebro, who offered me to help manage the Haitian Konpa band, Volo of Boston. I was too shy to say yes. Music was already calling me, but music never stopped calling. For every teacher, for every mentor, to the American people, with a compassionate heart, thank you. MIT said no. North Shore Community College said yes, but my financial aid request was denied. So I went to see the financial aid officer, insisting to her that I want to go to school. She said, you have no green card, we can't help you. I did not understand, kept on insisting by saying I want to go to school. Then a gentleman named Dave Orton stepped into the door and signaling me to follow him and said, come here son, I got you. My books and tuition were fully paid by a grant. Wow, looking back, without any doubt, an angel named Dave Orton made the impossible possible. My God, thank you. At North Shore Community College in Lynn, Massachusetts, there I met Mary from Cameroon. 1 year later, I met her sister, Bridget from Cameroon, who became my wife, and a beautiful gift from God. Then Providence and history knocked upon my door again, being at the right place and time. President Ronald Reagan signed a law that allowed millions of immigrants, including me, to become lawful permanent residents. One decision, millions of families were given a chance to step out of the shadows. President Ronald Reagan, thank you. President Ronald Reagan, thank you. President Ronald Reagan, thank you. Years later I became a citizen of the join us as a community of dreamers at TimTim.Live to build a rocket-free spaceship for human exploration to the moon. One sky, one humanity, one tomorrow, America. Thank you. This song is dedicated to my late father and mother, to Gabriel and Marie, to my sister Caroline, to Rose Laure and her family, to my teachers, to Fan Fan, Gibro, to Dave Wharton, to Marie, my sister-in-law, to Bridget, my wife, with a beautiful heart, to President Ronald Reagan, yes, to President Ronald Reagan. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Every village has a song, every family has a story. Every person deserves to be heard. Share your gift with the world, America. I love you forever. TimTim.Live. TimTim.Live.